Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to not unbox something. Now actually I have ordered a pre-amplifier for my guitar, and yes, I do play guitar. So I purchased this from Amazon and it got delivered today, and I don't know which brand this is, but I had heard of reviews of this and it sounds good. So we'll check out how it sounds. So it is a 5 EQ and you have a tuner as well. So this cost around 1250 ish. You have a second compartment which is their 9-volt battery can be inserted. You get some parts with this. Now this is a piezoelectric type of amplifier. So you get a piezoelectric sensor, what you call this. So this is a pressure sensor which converts electricity, sound waves into electricity. You get some screws and you get a battery with this. Now this is a 9-volt block battery, which is, I don't know how much amp hours or something like that. I will use a regular battery because I have opened it and it is full, so I'll use that. I'll keep this aside for now. Now I'll just switch it on like that, and I'll show you how to fit this whole thing in the guitar in my next video. So before that, I'll just put inside and just switch it on and show you how it works and how all this thing is. So yeah, so as to remove this, you just need to press. There is a thing switch, what you call this, I don't know. So you have to just press it and pull it behind. Now as you can see, I am not using this battery because I already have one black block battery, and you can see there is a difference in size. As you can see, the positive terminal can go perfectly in this and the negative can go perfectly in this, but if you try to put it vice versa, it won't go. So basically you have to put it like that, and this thing also, the compartment also fits in one side. So basically you have to just press the battery and it will give a click sound. Now to connect this, there is nothing to connect. Here you got a 2.5 mm jack which will go inside this, plug inside this. Now I'm not going to plug that because I am not going to connect it. I'll show you how it sounds in the next video. I'll tell you what that is. Just you have to connect this. There is a different type of an attachment, so you have to just line it up with these two notches. You can see with these two notches and just press this inside. So as you can see the power is on, and as I press the power button, there will be an output on the display which will be a tuner display. So nothing here, nothing much. You just need a power this thing. You have a switch to change the notes. As you can see, if you want to tune a different thing and your guitar is badly tuned, so you can select the note option. I'll show you what is there and what all stuff is there inside in my next video. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.